Welcome to our 10-minute morning yoga. And yes, you can do this in bed. It actually will help you get up. So when you're ready, roll onto your back and hug your knees in for Apanasana. Maybe taking a gentle rock from side to side. You can bring your hands on top of your knees or behind your knees, whatever feels best for you. Now place your hands to the same side knee and draw circles with your knees, opening them to the side, away and together. 2 more. And now reverse. Hug them in again. And extend your right leg along the mat. Begin to rock your left leg from side to side, massaging your hip. Now ground your right foot and come into reverse pigeon by placing your left ankle onto your right knee. Your right foot can stay down, or you can lift the leg up, hugging the knee or maybe even your shin. Find the variation that feels best for you right now. Ground your right foot, and here you have 2 options. You can come into an eagle twist by sliding the left leg over your right and dropping your knees to the right side, left arm in cactus. Or you can keep the pigeon legs and let them sink to the right with your right leg down, your left knee pointing up. Unwind and hug your right knee in. Left leg extends along the mat and gently rock the right leg from side to side. Ground your left foot and come into reverse pigeon, right ankle onto your left knee. Gently flex your feet and find the variation that serves you today. Then set your left foot down. And again, you have two options here. So find your eagle twist or pigeon twist. Your knees sink to the left in both variations. If you're an eagle, bring your right arm into cactus, and if you're in the other twist, extend your arms out by your sides. Unwind. And make your way into a seated position. Extend your right leg, bring your left foot to your right inner thigh, turn your hips towards your right leg and gently fold. To prevent any sort of hyperextension, you can place your hands underneath your right knee. Release the fold, turn your chest towards the center of your legs and stretch your left arm over to the right for a side stretch. Beautiful. Come back to center, set your left hand down and stretch your right arm over to the left. If you're in bed, stay here, and if you're on a mat, you can lift your hips up, going a bit deeper. Release and extend your left leg. Right foot comes to your inner thigh. Turn your hips to your left leg and fold over. Again, maybe placing your hands underneath your knee. Unwind, turn your chest to center and reach your right arm over to the left, side stretch. Come back to center. Ground your right hand and stretch your left arm over to the right. Again, if you're in bed, stay here, and if you're on a mat, you may want to lift your hips. Release and come into a comfortable seated position. If you're in bed, now is a great time to sit at the edge of your bed, your feet on the floor. Let's stretch our neck. With your hands by your sides, begin to move your chin back and gently drop your chin to your chest. Come back to center, move your head, your chin forward and then up. Return to center and gently tilt your head to the right. And to the left. Back to center. Take one big inhalation as you reach your arms up, and exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel a bit more awake and ready for a great day. Bye!